Why does life feel chaotic, unfair, and sometimes overwhelming? Why do some people find meaning and direction, while others feel lost? In 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos by Jordan B. Peterson, we are given a powerful framework for bringing order, responsibility, and purpose into our lives. This book is not about quick success or easy motivation. It is about discipline, truth, and facing reality with courage. Peterson explains that life exists between two forces, order and chaos. Order represents structure, stability, and predictability. Chaos represents uncertainty, change, and the unknown. A meaningful life is built by learning to balance both. The first rule: stand up straight with your shoulders back. This rule is about more than posture. It represents confidence, responsibility, and how you present yourself to the world. Peterson uses the example of lobsters, showing how dominance and confidence affect survival. When you carry yourself with confidence, your brain chemistry actually changes, improving your chances of success. The lesson is simple. Act like someone who deserves respect, and you begin to earn it. The second rule: treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Many people take better care of others than themselves. They neglect their health, ignore their goals, and tolerate negative habits. Peterson argues that you should treat yourself with the same care, discipline, and respect you would offer someone you love. Self-respect is the foundation of improvement. The third rule: make friends with people who want the best for you. Your environment influences your behavior. If you surround yourself with negative or unmotivated individuals, their habits will affect you. But when you build relationships with people who encourage growth, your chances of success increase. Choose your circle wisely. The fourth rule: compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Comparison is one of the biggest sources of dissatisfaction. Social media often makes others appear more successful, more attractive, or more accomplished. But comparing yourself to others is unfair and unproductive. Instead, focus on personal progress. Small improvements every day create long-term success. The fifth rule: do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. This rule is about discipline, responsibility, and raising strong individuals. Lack of boundaries leads to chaos. Children, and even adults, need structure and guidance to develop properly. Discipline, when applied with care, creates respect and long-term growth. The sixth rule: set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. It is easy to blame society, circumstances, or other people for problems. But real change begins with personal responsibility. Before trying to fix the world, fix your own habits, environment, and mindset. Take control of what you can. The seventh rule: pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Short-term pleasure often leads to long-term regret. Comfort, laziness, and instant gratification may feel good now, but can damage your future. Meaningful goals require effort, discipline, and sacrifice, but they create lasting satisfaction and purpose. Choose long-term growth over short-term comfort. The eighth rule: tell the truth, or at least do not lie. Truth is essential for trust, relationships, and self-respect. Lies create confusion, stress, and long-term consequences. Even small lies can damage your integrity. Speaking the truth builds confidence and clarity in life. The ninth rule: assume that the person you are listening to might know something you do not. Listening is one of the most underrated skills. Many people listen only to respond, not to understand. But every person has experiences and knowledge you can learn from. True listening builds stronger relationships and expands your perspective. The 10th rule: be precise in your speech. Vague communication creates misunderstandings. When you clearly express your thoughts, you reduce confusion and solve problems more effectively. Clarity leads to better decisions. The 11th rule: do not bother children when they are skateboarding. This rule is about allowing people to take risks and grow. Overprotection limits development. Challenges and risks build confidence, resilience, and competence. Growth requires stepping outside comfort zones. The 12th rule: pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. This rule reminds us to appreciate small moments of peace and beauty in life. Even in difficult times, small positive experiences can bring comfort and balance. Life will always include suffering, but moments of joy and gratitude help us endure it. One of the central themes of the book is responsibility. Peterson argues that meaning in life is found through responsibility. The more responsibility you take for yourself, your family, and your work, the more purpose you experience. Avoiding responsibility may feel easier in the short term, but it often leads to chaos and dissatisfaction. Taking responsibility creates structure and direction. Another important idea is that life includes suffering. No one escapes challenges, loss, or difficulty, but how you respond to suffering determines your growth. Facing challenges with courage builds strength. Avoiding them leads to weakness. Peterson also emphasizes discipline and order. Simple habits like organizing your space, setting goals, and maintaining routines create stability. Small actions build momentum. Over time, they lead to significant transformation. This book is not about quick success. It is about building a meaningful life through consistent effort, honesty, and responsibility. The lessons apply to every area of life: career, relationships, health, and personal growth. When you follow these principles, you create structure in chaos and direction in uncertainty. You become stronger, more disciplined, and more resilient. And most importantly, you find purpose. In conclusion, 12 Rules for Life: An Antidote to Chaos by Jordan B. Peterson emphasizes that a meaningful and stable life is built through responsibility, discipline, and honesty. Life will always involve chaos, uncertainty, and suffering, but by bringing order into our own actions, thoughts, and habits, we can face these challenges with strength and clarity. The book teaches that instead of blaming the world or waiting for perfect conditions, we must start by improving ourselves. Small actions, like telling the truth, setting goals, maintaining discipline, and surrounding ourselves with the right people, create a strong foundation for long-term success. Over time, these small improvements compound into significant personal growth. Peterson also highlights that true fulfillment does not come from comfort or shortcuts, but from pursuing what is meaningful. Taking responsibility for your life, even when it is difficult, gives you purpose and direction. Ultimately, the message is clear. When you accept responsibility, embrace discipline, and strive for truth, you build not only a better life for yourself, but also contribute positively to the world around you. If you found this summary valuable, Make sure you subscribe to Networking and Cash Flow for more powerful summaries of the world's best books on mindset, personal growth, financial success, and self-improvement. Hit the like button if this video inspired you. Comment below with one affirmation or positive habit you will start practicing today.